Welcome to 5th edition, a community rule set for Legends of Aria, as featured on the community server Palanai. This is the first in a series of videos in which the rules and gameplay of 5th edition will be explored and demonstrated. What you're about to see is still in a development phase and is subject to change before release. Today's video will cover a number of the options available to characters before they begin their journey. Let's get started. Upon connecting to a server using 5th edition, you are greeted with an introduction screen. As the mod is open to the community, different servers may have slightly different rule sets. Details of these differences should be found here. A character's origin is one of the most important decisions you can make in 5th edition. Origins consist primarily of a race, class, alignment, and background. 5th edition allows for a great selection of races, all of which have different characteristics. Let's stick with human for now. Classes determine the kind of character you will play. They affect the way that combat works, the skills you will excel at, and the equipment you are capable of using. 5th edition will launch with the fighter, rogue, and wizard classes, with many more to be added shortly after release. Fighters are quite versatile, so we'll choose that. Alignment determines where you fit in the moral spectrum of the world. In the game, it may open up paths to special quests or events, and close off others. Game masters may also take notice of your alignment for roleplay purposes. Let's play it safe with neutral good. Your background tells a story of your past, how you became an adventurer, what your motivations are. 5th edition will come with the Acolyte background by default, but community servers will be sure to include many more. Now that we're done with our origin, we get to decide on our ability scores. These will determine how good our character is in combat, how resilient they are to negative effects, and how skilled they are at certain things. Different characters have different requirements depending on playstyle. 5th edition provides an option to use recommended ability scores based on your class. Skills are used both in and out of combat. You will have a rank in all the skills, but you can select to be better at some more than others. Because we're a fighter, let's select Intimidation and Athletics. Each class opens up a number of features available to you. All of the features we gain now are listed here. Some of these features have a number of options you can select from. Selecting a fighting style will allow some unique customization in the way we play our fighter. Defense will protect us more when wearing armor, which is always useful in combat. We wouldn't want to start our adventure without some equipment. Here, we can customize the equipment we start with. Bundles may have different options you can choose between, and some of those options will allow for even more customization. As we're playing defensive, let's change Bundle 1 to Chainmail. We'll also customize Bundle 2 to have a longsword and a longbow. Your character's behaviour during roleplay can be influenced by a number of traits, ideals, bonds, and flaws. Adding any of these provides guidance for you during roleplay scenarios, and provides a sneak peek into your character's personality, which game masters can use to offer unique experiences. If you're a little short for ideas, use the random generator to give you some inspiration. You can stick with what it comes up with, or tweak it to make it your own. If you want even more customization, you can add a biography to your character. Now to make your character look the part. Here we go through a number of options to change our character's aesthetics. Let's customize our fighter. Messy grey hair and a beard should do the trick. We can also customize the look of his armor for some added flair. We'll stick with black for now. Here we can see our character, ready for adventure. This window provides an overview of your character. The top section shows our origin. Far left shows ability scores and skills. The right shows the roleplay details. And the middle shows some of the calculated combat statistics, like armor, hit points, and attacks. If you don't like the look of something, now's the best time to go back and make a change. I think our fight is perfect, so let's get to adventuring. That concludes the first demonstration video for 5th edition, a community rule set for Legends of Aria, as featured on the community server Palanai. Please stay tuned for the next entry to the series, where I'll introduce you to combat. Thanks for watching.